Alright, let's be real for a second. I've got 5 subscribers. 5. Yes, you heard that right. And if you're anything like I was a few months ago, you probably feel like you're stuck in a digital void, pouring hours of effort into your YouTube channel but getting nowhere. But what if I told you that those 5 subscribers could turn into 500 or even 5,000 with the right strategy? Stick around because today I'm revealing how to grow your YouTube channel fast and how you can do it too. Also, don't judge me for the 5 subscribers. I've grown 3 other channels successfully too. Not too long ago, I was in the exact same position you're in right now. I'd post a video, then refresh my analytics, nothing. I'd go to bed hoping that maybe, just maybe, the next day I'd wake up to an explosion of views. But nothing. And those 5 subscribers? Yeah, I wasn't even sure how I got them. Sound familiar? And honestly, I almost gave up. The grind felt endless. But then I learned something that completely changed everything. One night I was sitting there staring at my channel thinking, what am I missing? That's when I had a breakthrough. It's not just about posting content, it's about making your content impossible to ignore. But how? Well, I started looking at the big channels, the ones with millions of views, and I noticed something. They weren't just lucky, they were following a specific pattern. A pattern I hadn't been following until now. Listen, here's where it gets interesting. This pattern is what separates channels that stay stuck at 5 subs from channels that explode to thousands. And trust me, once I cracked this code, my channel started growing fast. Okay, so what's the secret? It's not just about the thumbnails, the titles, or the tags. It's about this simple yet powerful idea. You need to create value with every single video. But not just any value. You need to solve a problem your audience is searching for. For example, when I first started, I was just posting random ideas, thinking my content alone would attract views. But here's the trick I learned. You need to find out exactly what people are searching for, and create content that solves their problem. Search intent is everything. And here's where it gets even juicier. Using tools like TubeBuddy and VidIQ, I started to find exactly what people were searching for in my niche. From there, I was able to create videos that answered those questions. And the result? Views coming in. And with every view, my subscriber count began to climb. But let me be honest. There were moments when I almost gave up. I had videos that barely got any views. I thought, maybe this isn't for me. But then I remembered something. The difference between success and failure on YouTube isn't giving up. It's about consistency. And that's the next key step. Post consistently, even when it feels like no one is watching. Trust me, I know it's tough. But think about this. YouTube's algorithm is all about the long game. The more content you upload, the more chances you have to show up in search results. The more videos you create, the more you learn, and the more you grow. It's like planting seeds. At first, it feels like nothing's happening. But then, one day, you start seeing the fruits of your labor. And that's when it all changed for me. My subscriber count began to climb. My videos started ranking higher. People were commenting and engaging with my content. And I realized, this stuff actually works. So, if you're stuck at 5 subscribers like I was, don't give up. Use these strategies. Create content people are searching for, stay consistent, and never stop learning. Because trust me, the next few months could be your breakout time. And hey, if you enjoyed this video and want more strategies like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll be sharing more tips that will take your channel to the next level. Thanks for watching, and remember, no matter where you're starting, you're one video away from your next breakthrough. Let's grow together. Catch you in the next one.